Hello everyone and welcome back to Let's Learn English Together. You know, English learners get themselves into a lot of trouble by using the wrong vowel sound in English words. And we have to fix this problem, right? Normally, we have 5 vowel letters in English: A, E, I, O, and U. However, there are many that these letters are pronounced, so the pronunciation is very inconsistent. Alright, let's start with the letter E. When you see the letter E in an English word, it can be pronounced in a few different ways. We have a short E as in egg, and we have a long E as in she. We have a long with accent as in coffee, and we have the lazy schwa sound. It sounds so lazy, like 11, not 11 or 11. Now let's look at this group of English sounds, but remember, they are sound, not English letters. Let's look at the first sound, E and E. These sounds may cause a few problems for English learners. Let's look at this example. Beach. It has the long vowel sound E. Beach. And if you mispronounce this long vowel sound and use the short E, you will say a bad word, which is bitch. So, one with a long vowel sound like sheep, and one with a short vowel like ship. Another example, sheet. It uses the long vowel sound E, but if you accidentally use the short vowel sound, you will say shit. That is also a rude word. So, long vowel sound and short vowel sound are important in English. The short sound is E, like hit, sing, bit, witch, disc. The long vowel sound is E, like me, eat, beach, sheet, believe. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you like it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. It's all about pronunciation.